in cordial relations with the Rajputs. Humayun ignored the Rajputs. Humayun started rivalry. That's why Humayun lost his empire. Almost for 15 years, he stayed away. Okay, and he got shelter in the Iran region. After Humayun, Akbar came. And Akbar was so clever, shrewd, judicious, and a wonderful politician. And a statesman also. So this man, he understood the politics in North India. He understood that without the support of Rajputs, no empire in North India can survive. No empire in North India can exist. There is no peace, there is no order. That's why your Akbar, he started Rajput policy. So in the Rajput policy, they accommodated. Rajputs were accommodated in the Mughals army and Rajputs were accommodated in the Mughal administration. So that's how, in the course of time, Mughals compromised with the Rajputs. So my point here is, in the first 500 years, Rajputs were the rulers. In the next 500 years, your Rajputs, they yielded power, political power.